What are the primary causes of bronchitis? Very common causes, viral infections. Recently, you have seen how COVID-19 can cause bronchitis in patients. Also, acute amount of smoke or pollution inhalation is a very important cause. In patients with asthma, various triggers, they could be the mold inside your house. Yes, get rid of the mold. Also, having pets around with their dander is absolutely a no for asthmatics. The various other causes could be bacterial infections. If you're feeling very breathless, having fever, having a cough, please go and see your pulmonologist at once.